You've got to understand that there's different ways to get motivated, and everything is valid as a motivation. You could become angered into motivation. Almost a year ago, I didn't get accepted into awards. I didn't get ranked. I was completely unranked in a particular award. It's called the Refocus Awards. I didn't get a ranking. I didn't get feedback. I didn't get anything. My photos are invalidated up until they were like nothing. And the only way I could process this, the correct way to process this, is I got pissed off and I said, listen, now I'm gonna go and win 100 awards. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and I'm gonna send it to the Refocus Awards. What do you mean my photos didn't rank? I won my 89th award 3 days ago. You need to allow yourself to get pissed off. Get so pissed off that you lose your mind. Get so pissed off, hold a grudge, hold the bitterness, because it is a valid motivation, it is a beautiful motivation. Summon ancestors that are not even yours. Summon Argentinian spirits, Brazilian spirits, Swedish spirits. Make it so that they help you to achieve your goal. I want you to get completely angry. That's the point of this. All the people invalidating you, bullying you, sapping you of your full potential because they're scared, which is the normal reason. No millionaire will hate on you for starting a new business. But I'll tell you what, someone who's broke will. No handsome person will. Well, that's a bit too far. Some handsome people might attack you for being attractive, yes. But then it's an insecurity trait, that's my point. Some people are still insecure even though they have all the things that you would think would make a person able. However, back to my point. This is all to piss you off. Your every single experience, all of it. It's to make you snap into an impossible being, an unreachable being, a being where you might not even be able to become this being again. It's to make you Mike Tyson in the ring. And you can only be Mike Tyson for a short period of time. Anger is a correct emotion. Do not make yourself so peaceful that you cannot blow everything up, because peace is maintained by an ability to fight. Yeah? No country is at peace without a good ability to have war. You will find that it's difficult for someone to start a fight with the USA because, as Donald Trump says, they will bomb the shit out of you. An ability to get angry is brilliant in life. Do not sap it away from yourself. Do not invalidate yourself for becoming angry. It's necessary. Realize that you are the ultimacy of a lineage. Every ancestor in your lineage was fighting to make you. So appreciate what you are. You're actually already an ultimate life form. You'll discover this early or you'll discover this late, that no, there is perfection to you, because every single person has been holding hands in a non-stop chain in order to get to you. Yeah? Do not invalidate yourself if you feel angry. You're right. Do not invalidate yourself when you have this bitterness, this resentment, this whatever. There is a chance that you're perfectly fine. And that's what's going to get you over the hill. It's time to get pissed off. Allow yourself.